Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talk about AWS Service Catalog. So, AWS Service Catalog is a service that provide a single location where organization can centrally manage catalogs of IT services. So, you can enable your organization to create and manage um, catalogs of IT services that are approved for use on AWS. So let's say you have certain resources or certain set of services that you want to enable your employees to use from the AWS. You can make a list out of it and you can create a catalog out of it. Then you can also look into AWS Marketplace. You can select those product and services, and you can create add it into your service enterprise service catalog, and that actually enables you to take control of your company's resources. So in that scenario, what would happen? Not all of your Amazon resources will be deployed as in when people want to use it. You can create policies, you can make sure that all your compliances and regulatories are adhered, and in order to do so, you can actually enable your service catalog with those products and services. So this way you can control the cost, you can control the life cycle of all the services and the products. You can also make sure that who can use what, and if you look about more benefits of the service catalog, you can ensure compliance with the corporate standards, which I have already explained. You can help employees quickly find and deploy approved IT services. So you can look look at this particular service like a regular IT portal where you just go and submit your request and try to install a new software for your usage. So you can also integrate it with the web portal, and with the AWS Service Catalog, you define your own catalog of AWS services. And as I mentioned earlier, you can also go into the AWS Marketplace software. You can add those product and services, and you can publish it on your internal enterprise portal through which people can log in, and they can also connect with the ITSM tool for your incident or service request, and that is how they can go for using those AWS services or the marketplace software. So uh, the best part is you can centrally manage all your IT service lifecycle. So let's say you want one of the resources to install a marketplace product. Maybe for an instance, for a simple example, I would say maybe Microsoft Word. So you can actually integrate Microsoft Word service from the marketplace on your uh, service catalog, and internally you can integrate it with your internal ITSM or ITOM software service tool. It could be Jira, it could be ServiceNow, or anything of that sort. And then you can ask your employees to in case of any new software installation or upgrade or anything, they need to raise a service request on that particular tool, and internally it will get integrated, and you can actually create a mechanism which will enable the entire service catalog to go and install or uninstall the older version and reinstall the latest version of that particular service or software on anyone's machine, or let's say on any host of for that matter. So that is how you can actually maintain the life cycle. You can also maintain who did what and when. You can control the licenses, you can ensure that the compliance is there, and of course it will enable employees to install or use only those products which are approved IT services and products in your AWS environment. So I think this lecture was informative for you, and hope you liked it. So please um, do let me know your comments on these. If you need to see more demos, or you want to know more about it, you can always go to aws.amazon.com and can learn more on the documentation part. All these videos that I'm preparing right now on various services, these are just to make sure that I am introducing these services to you, so that when in the later part, when I'm going to couple all these services to the various parts of our AWS solution, you will not have an ambiguity where you will not say that, okay, I do not know about this particular service, what it does and how it does. So you can always come back to these lectures and can understand the basics about it, and particularly the usage. Why I'm emphasizing on the usage? Because here my overall intention is to show you, or to make you understand, that what each and every service is doing at this point of time individually, and when we are going to club them together, so how it is going to shape our AWS big data solution. So hope I was clear on this part, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.